Bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Hello friends, how are you? So first of all, welcome to my channel. So what are we going to do in today's video? We are going to learn the conjugation of avoir, which means to have, in the present tense in French with example in today's video. That is, I am also going to share with you some basic sentences with the use of the conjugation of avoir once you will learn the conjugation of avoir. Okay, and the verb avoir is one of the most basic and important verb in French. So learning the conjugation of avoir is very important in learning the French language. So make sure to watch the video till the end if you want to learn the conjugation of avoir and you also want to learn how to make basic sentences using the conjugation of avoir in the present tense. And please like, subscribe and share my video if any point of time you like my video. Okay, so let's get started. Now, avoir is conjugated as a, with j apostrophe. That is, if you want to say I have, you say j'ai. Repeat with me, j'ai. Again, j'ai. Very good. Now here I want to tell you that we do not write je as I. Instead, we write j apostrophe. Because the conjugation of avoir is starting with a vowel. Whenever any conjugation is starting with a vowel, we write j apostrophe instead of je for I. So we simply write j apostrophe ai for I have. Okay. Now, when you want to say you have in the informal manner and singular, you say tu as. Tu as. Repeat with me. Tu as. Very good. Next, if you want to say he has, masculine and singular, you say il a. Il a. Again, il a. Very good. When you want to say she has, you say elle a. Elle a. Elle a. Very good. When you want to say we have, in the formal and neutral manner, you say nous avons. Nous avons. Repeat with me. Nous avons. Very good. When you want to say you have, in the formal manner or when there is more than one person, you say vous avez. Vous avez. Again, vous avez. Very good. When you want to say they have, in a group of masculine or mixed plural, you say ils ont. Ils ont. Again, ils ont. Very good. When you want to say they have for a group of feminine plural, you say elles ont. Elles ont. Elles ont. Very good. Now I'm sharing a few examples with you. I have taken a simple article such as a book. We call a book un livre in French. So if we want to say I have a book, we say j'ai un livre. Repeat with me. J'ai un livre. Again. J'ai un livre. Very good. If we want to say you have a book, we say Tu as un livre. Tu as un livre. Repeat with me. Tu as un livre. Very good. If we want to say he has a book, we say il a un livre. Il a un livre. Repeat with me. Il a un livre. Very good. If we want to say she has a book, we say elle a un livre. Elle a un livre. Repeat with me. Elle a un livre. Very good. If we want to say we have a book, we say nous avons un livre. Repeat with me. Nous avons un livre. Again, nous avons un livre. Very good. If we want to say you have a book, here you can see there are two people. So, we'll be using vous and we'll be saying vous avez un livre. Vous avez un livre. Repeat with me. Vous avez un livre. Very good. If we want to say they have a book in a group where there are men and women both, we say ils ont un livre. Ils ont un livre. Repeat with me. Ils ont un livre. Very good. Now we want to say they have a book in a group where there are only women, no men. We say elles ont un livre. Elles ont un livre. Repeat with me. Elles ont un livre. Very good. So that was all in today's video. If you have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please write in the comment section if you can form any sentences using the conjugation of avoir and make as many as sentences as possible for practice. You can take any article such as a livre, which is a book, or anything such as a voiture, which is a car, or stylo, which is a pen, or anything you feel like you remember in French. So, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.